double column vertical machining center, model Pro 4216AG, serial number 0298. This machine was new in 2017 and we are gonna run it for you. Machine has 165 inches of X travel, 63 of Y and 31.5 of Z. Right now he's running the X. Your table is a large table. It's 55 inches by 157 inches long. The X-axis is quiet. You have box ways, all axes. It's going to run the Y. Y is super quiet. Again, that Y travel is 63 inches. Your spindle is a Cat 50 taper. That's your Z travel, which again is 31.5. It's a 6,000 RPM spindle. We're going to run her. Spindle that's 500 RPM. Spindle is equipped with cooling through option. 1500 RPM. Machine also has double chip augers that feeds into a conveyor. We're going to switch now to the high gear. 2500 in the high gear. Machine's nice and quiet. We're going up to 4500. That's 4500. All right. We're going to do a tool change or a simulated tool change. The machine has a 40 tool capacity. Door's going to open up. All right. That was a tool change. All right, so you've seen the axes move, you've seen the spindle go in low gear and high gear. I think you've seen it. Thanks for watching our video.